What if the world you've been hoping for doesn't begin somewhere far away? What if it begins with one thought, one choice, one person? You. Let's spend the next 3 minutes becoming the change we'd love to experience in the world. Welcome to Plant a Seed with me. I am Nilde Luz Kelly. Find a comfortable position. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale peace. Exhale everything you've been carrying. One more time. Breathing in calm. Breathing out tension. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. As you sit here, gently ask yourself, what do I want more of in this world? Maybe it's kindness. Maybe patience. Maybe honesty. Maybe compassion. Maybe understanding. Maybe courage. Maybe love. Notice whichever word quietly rises to the surface. Now imagine that quality resting gently in your heart. Picture it growing with every breath you take. Not because someone else creates it, but because you choose to. Take another slow breath. Ask yourself, how can I become a source of this today? Perhaps it's offering patience during a difficult conversation, choosing kindness when frustration feels easier, listening without rushing to respond, encouraging someone who may need hope, or simply showing yourself the same compassion you freely give others. Remember, real change rarely begins with grand gestures. It begins with ordinary moments lived intentionally. One conversation, one decision, one act of kindness, one breath, one person choosing to respond differently. And that person can be you. Take one final deep breath in, hold it gently, and slowly let it go. As you prepare to return to your day, carry this reminder with you. You do not have to change the entire world. You only have to care for the little corner of it that your life touches. And every time you choose love over fear, patience over reaction, understanding over judgment, you leave this world a little better than you found it. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Take one final cleansing breath in. Release and open your eyes. Step into this new week with intention. Thank you for sharing these few quiet moments with me today. If this meditation helped you connect with yourself, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Plant a seed with me. How did you embody the change you wanted to see this week? And what intention are you carrying into the week ahead? If you're building a life rooted in mindfulness, personal growth, and intentional living, don't forget to subscribe so we can continue planting seeds together every week. Until next time, take care of your mind, be kind to your heart, and remember, the world doesn't change all at once. It changes every time one person chooses to show up with love. I'll see you next week.